Hey folks, welcome back to another video. If you manage a product or technical operations, you probably have a Google Sheet that acts as a massive dumping ground for unstructured data. Now this unstructured data could be customer feedback, bug reports, or even feature requests. Now manually reading through hundreds of these reports or rows every Friday just to gather or summarize the overall tone and potential blockers is an extremely tedious and repetitive task. In today's video, we're going to be completely automating that. We're going to be building an event-driven pipeline that wakes up on schedule and it natively parses your sheet's data, uses Gemini to build an executive structured summary, and it emails it directly to yourself. We're going to be doing all of this using Google Workspace Studio. If you haven't checked out my previous tutorials on Google Workspace Studio, I'll be leaving the playlist link and the blog links in the description. You can check that out, and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to be doing here is heading over to Workspace Studio by going to studio.workspace.google.com, and you'll see your dashboard here. You can create your new flows from here and you have your existing ones here. You can always check out various templates divided by different products and use cases, or you can get started by describing a task in natural language and let Gemini handle the creation of that particular workflow. But for now, we're going to come in here and click on a new flow. I'm going to start off by giving it a name known as Weekly Feedback Summarizer. And as discussed before, instead of relying on a manual event like a form submission or a file upload, we want this pipeline to run autonomously. In Workspace Studio, we can use the on a schedule event / starter, and we're going to be configuring it something like this, where the start date can be, of course, today's date. That's going to be 29th of or 26th. That's going to be 29th of June. Maybe you want it every Monday, but in this case, we want it to be every Friday at 8 p.m. I'd like it to do it at the night time when everything's ended and stuff. So I'm going to scroll down here and select 8 p.m. So this is what is going to be there. And in the does not repeat section, I would like this to repeat weekly on every Friday. Here you have more details like ends whenever you can add it whenever you want it to end. You can even select your custom time zone. So these fields make sure that the start time, start date is selected, the repeat is selected to weekly, and you can even select this to never so that this workflow never ends. And the time zone is going to be GMT plus 5:30. And the next thing that we're going to be doing here is we need to pull the raw data into the pipeline runtime. So instead of just massively just dumping an entire spreadsheet, we're going to be using the extract step here. So I'm going to click on choose a step. I'm going to click on extract here. So the thing that I'm going to be doing here is copying this particular spreadsheet here, and the content to analyze is going to be looking something like this. That is this particular spreadsheet. Now, what do I want to extract? As discussed in the intro, I would like a simple sentiment, tone, and urgency that I can extract from it. So I'm going to select tone and urgency here. If you have any other custom content details that you'd like to extract from these, you can always mention it here. We have covered tutorials where we're looking at custom content names and stuff like that. You can check out the full playlist. The playlist link is available in the description. But by basically doing this, Workspace Studio automatically parses the massive spreadsheet, and it's going to be giving us two distinct variables, that is tone and urgency, which we'll be looking at in the next step. The next step is going to be the core logic. That's going to be the data analysis part, where we take those extracted variables and format them into a readable report. So I'd like to extract those details. So what we're going to be doing here is clicking on Ask Gemini. Now inside of the Ask Gemini, it obviously gives me a predefined prompt, but I'm going to be removing that and pasting the following. That says, you are an ops manager. I have automatically extracted the overall tone and urgency from our weekly customer feedback spreadsheet now. Now, based on these extracted variables, generate a professional executive summary, highlight the overall sentiment, and summarize the urgency. Now, in the tone section, we're going to be clicking on variables. And if we come down to extract, you can see the two variables have been generated. So I'm going to click on step 2, tone. For urgency, I'm going to come here and click on step 2, urgency. So the extract node has already done the heavy lifting of determining the sentiment and tone. And now this step is basically going to be generating our final executive summary that we're going to be generating and putting into a particular Google Doc. Now that we have the summary in our hands, I mean, it's a professional way to put it into a Google Doc. So I'm going to scroll down here to the doc section. If you already have an existing doc, you can of course click on add to doc, use the picker and select your particular file. But we're going to be clicking on create a new doc, where I'm going to be naming this as executive summary, and I'm going to say feedback. And inside of the content to add, we're going to click on variables once again. I'm going to come to the Ask Gemini step, and you can see the content created by Gemini in the step 3 is going to be put into the Google Doc successfully. Now for the location of the file, you can always click on Drive, select a custom location where you would like to store your file, or you can let it just be stored in Google Drive. Now that we are done with the doc creation, it's time for distribution. We need to distribute the report so that you don't have to go digging through your Google Drive for all of this. So I'm going to click on add a new step, and you can see that there's a new button here that says notify me by email. So I'm going to select that. My subject is going to look something like this, that says automated report, weekly feedback summary. So this is what my message is going to be looking like, where the overall tone I'm going to be putting in the extract one here. In the urgency level, I'm going to be putting urgency once again here. And you can review the full executive summary in the Google Doc here, where I'm going to say link to Google Doc. Now, before we blindly turn this particular workflow on, you always would like to do a small test run to ensure all your variables are mapping correctly, the entire workflow is executing well. So I'm going to come down here and click on test run, where it's normally on schedule, but this particular testing is going to start on your click. So let's just go ahead and click on start. And in a couple of seconds, the workflow execution will begin. And if everything's wired up correctly, you'll see a wall of green checks confirming that the pipeline successfully executed. And then we'll go ahead and check our inbox to see whether we have an email waiting for us. Here you can see on successful execution, it has gone through all of the steps that's on schedule. All right, it's gone to the extract one, it's gone to Ask Gemini. We've got a perfect executive summary generated for us. The Google document has been created. If I just click on it, it's going to be showing me the executive summary that we just generated, or Gemini generated for us. And in the automated email that has been sent to us, if I head over to my Gmail, I can see that my email has been generated. Here is your automated weekly feedback report. The overall tone is neutral. The urgency level is urgent. And you can review all the summary and the technical blockers at this particular Google Doc. Because we use the extract mode step, the pipeline correctly identified the tone of our mock data as negative and the urgency as urgent. By combining the schedule trigger and the new extract and notify me by email nodes, we've just built a highly resilient event-driven reporting pipeline in just under 10 minutes. And there you have it. By parsing the data natively first, you significantly improve the quality of your output, and you're saving yourself hours on manual review time. We also looked at the new notify me by email action step that's now available in Workspace Studio. You can check that out, and I'll be leaving the blog link, some documentation link, and the full YouTube playlist link in the description. You can check that out. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.